Good morning, honeys. It is Friday morning and I have tons to do. I woke up very early today to get a lot of things done and I've been a bit productive. A little less than I expected, but okay. It's wins, it's milestones, so I'm a bit happy. I'm actually on my way to an event. I've got about 45 minutes to finish up with whatever I'm doing. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed right now and I'm feeling like my time management might be failing me just a little bit, but I've done a lot. I've edited, I have started editing my next video already. I've uploaded the video that I edited last night. I've done the washing. I've actually hung Faze's washing out already. He's starting to cry right now because he's hearing my voice, and I've got to attend to him now. I've got to feed him and actually bath him. I'm gonna bath him first and then feed him before I leave, and then get dressed. We are going to a L'Oreal event. We are going to be dancing with Takkies. Yes. Oh, another thing that I want to address. This bonnet is available from Naledi Fool. That is her Insta handle. It's Naledi and Fool at the end, F-U-L. So it's N-A-L-E-D-I-F-U-L. I will write it out right here. Please check her out on Instagram. She sells these. I forgot the price, but it is, she obviously sent it to me, so I didn't pay for them. Actually, all of my bonnets, I've never paid for them, so it's always difficult when you ask, where do you get this bonnet? Where do you get, because I don't buy them. I don't know what he's laughing at. He's like self-entertained. Do you want to check up on him? Let's check up on him quickly. Oh, this boy of mine. Oh yeah, that's another great help. The fact that he plays by himself. Hey, Scott. Hello. This is him in the morning. He's such a morning person. You're such a morning person, my love. Hi, Minion. How are you? Because he knows he's going to eat now, so obviously he's excited. I point change you, man. Oh, man. We made this top of his at my baby shower at church, so he's ready. He's ready to bathy. Are you ready to bathy? This is super cute. And we've got a French lady at church. She wrote in French there. I forgot what it means though. Oops. Come, let's bath you. Come, let's bath you, Papa. This invite says wear sexy fun / workout clothes with comfortable heels. Now I get the workout side. I don't get the rest. Like, how do you make sexy with,
you know what, have you seen Takkies rocking heels page?
Yes, but now the thing is I can't wear a formal-ish looking sexy top with my workout pants or shorts, because she's usually in shorts.
I know. So I thought of just wearing tights or leggings to heels, and I don't know what top I'm wearing.
I've got leggings on. But I was thinking of just a simple workout top to wear. I mean, we're still gonna be looking sexy-ish in our heels, aren't we?
Yeah, we are, and we now makeup.
I'm not wearing makeup, babes. I can't work out with makeup. After my flight to Cape Town, my skin literally broke out.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I have to, because I have to go to the office after. I have to make up.
Oh, so you're gonna sweat in your makeup, my love?
Well, I'm not gonna put, I don't know, babe.
I'll do my brows, but that's as far as it goes, and have mascara on, but that's as far as it goes, hey?
Okay, then I won't. Okay, fine. I think I won't be heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
all
and
right.
if they break, at least they're old-ish.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Cool.
Alrighty then. Cheers. See you soon. Bye. I literally have no idea what I'm wearing. I've got leggings on, and I'm just like, I can't look sexy and work out-ish, but that's the dress code for today. This is our one. Honeys, I've just got here and we are at the Cafe Dance Studios in Rivonia. I think it's a dance studio. It just says Cafe Dance. It says Cafe Dance, so I assume it's a dance studio. And I want to walk in with you all. I literally just put my bags up because people aren't here. It's 11:10 and this thing was for 10:30 for 11. Abantu kodwa. I thought I was late and I was about 4 or 5 minutes late. I was like, oh my gosh, but then I get upstairs and like, where are the people? Anyway, I'm gonna put my hoops on a little later. I could not find the sexy outfit thing with my situation. I was just like, no. And then I went upstairs and everyone is in their gym wear, so at least I've got an extra t-shirt that I brought just in case people are only in gym wear. So I'm gonna change to that, but I do have my booties and my trainers just in case everyone else is in trainers only, so I don't know, I just want to feel odd one of those days, you know what I mean? You're a girl, you know what I mean. So let me walk you all in. And boom, there she is. Dancing her way in already.
Guys, can I tell you, I'm the worst vlogger of South Africa.
Wait, where's your sexy fun / workout outfit? This is just workout outfit.
I got heels.
Okay,
What do you
okay.
mean?
Okay, that will do.
Phew. I literally don't have a lens. I don't know what I did with the lens of my camera. Hey.
I brought an extra towel, but I see they are like towels for us. Yay!
How are you? Good to see you again.
And the cafe.
Hey, Yolz channel.
So I put you on the vlog while I was talking to you on the phone.
Did you? Oh, I did not, Yolz. Oh my word. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Let's tell them now. Did I not say she's gonna be late?
No, I'm not. Boys, where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going, boys? What do you mean? Full face beat and your hair done. Why we look crusty? Where do you think you're going? What do you think you're going?
The person who's also got a face beat and looking so cute standing next to me. I'm like the only person without makeup. I am not nice, I got lost, okay?
I'm getting a smoothie. Thank you. Yes. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. I put the camera on so that I can see.
I just got a haircut in Yolz's vlog. Imagine. Not a chance. What? Not a chance. What? Let's see. Do that again. What? Wait.
Oh no, that was actually on beat.
You see?
Yes, girl.
When it's on beat, because the beat is in the head.
Oh, and it's alone. It's
It's the only one that
when we
knows
put the music on, we'll see. The subscriber gets special shout out.
Hey!
She's also a brand manager, so hook me up.
I got you. Hook me up. I did the right thing,
Do the right thing. The lighting is better.
Oh, I need a camera like this.
It's the best.
But I need to look here.
Yes. Honeys, we are done.
Yay!
Thank you so much, Takkies.
Thanks for dancing with me. Yay!
We'll try.
If you missed out, guys,
You must join, please. I'll leave the email down below in the description box.
Try.
Yeah. Show us some pop.
Hey,
Yay.
boom. Hi.
Hey. This is what I'm talking about. Post baby body. So I've got a 4-month-old trying to snap.
Congratulations! You look great. Amazing. What are you doing?
Nothing. That's why I'm joining your classes next year.
Awesome. But babe, you look amazing for someone who had a baby 4 months ago. I'm proud of you. Well done. Yay!
As I was saying, besides the people behind us,
Yes.
subscribe to Takkies' channel. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and let us know if you liked our dancing moves
Please let us
in the comment section.
Hey.
I love you guys so much. Bye.